Hello everyone, today is Tuesday the 13th, and I have a video from Trader Jon showing how he trades the core levels, and he traded in a live account today for about $6,900 in profit. His setup is kind of what I do. Is he has a 3-minute chart on the left and his trading chart is a Super Inco 12 on the right, and you'll notice his executions. He's using the horizontal trend line on the Autotrader and putting them at the core levels that he sees on the 3-minute chart. And this is exactly how I use the levels, and you should too. The video is a bit long, so I apologize for that, but you're going to get to see a very good trader execute trades and his thinking behind it. So it's a little long. It's John's first video, so we're going to try to streamline this a little bit more. And this will be a preview of what you're going to learn in the trading room, which we hope to have open by the end of February. This is my piddly little $5.95 profit. This chart has a $600 goal, and it was hit. And as you can see, I set the Autotrader to trade short only. And only the first trade did I use the horizontal trend line entry. And then after this, I let it trade fully automated. I actually did have it on short and longs because it took a long trade here. I can't remember if I took that manually or not, but anyway, the rest of these trades were fully automated, and you can see here it hit its target, and then here it hit its profit target here, and then it hit the daily goal. All right, let's have a look at Trader John's video. You guys are in for a treat.
So my thought is it's going to test the 830, and then go test blue. Right there. All right.
Order submitted.
All right, let's see. Where do we need to get out? We'll lock in that profit. Okay, one will be here. Prior high. We'll lock the other one in. Yeah, about right there. Let's see, where are my stops? The stop would be right there. Okay. Let's see see how it pans out.
Order filled.
Cool. Took one out. I'll hit the
Order filled.
Let's go ahead. Lock in profit. Come on, girl. You can do it. We hit it.
Order filled.
Right. Tested blue. Let's see what happens at blue now. So there's a range from the volume candle. So am I going to short it? Probably not, because I know it's going to be testing blue this range, and we've already, to me, with these size candles, big boys spent a lot of money to get that going. So I'm not too concerned about the downside anymore. So I'll focus on this here, just keeping an eye where the range is. But I put this marker earlier, so I know. So, alright, you see we kind of chop. We think this is going to hit that from that volume break. And the entry for this guy would be... Don't do it, John. I know you're tempted to put a buy right here. Or right here to take it up. We got one winning trade already, so... Sorry about that, guys. I know it's going to come and test blue. Alright, let's see. 1 minute 17 seconds before this candle closed. 51 seconds. What I like to see is close above here and test it from the top side of blue before it goes higher. I don't want to see it close below that. Just because price went above the point of control doesn't mean it's bullish. It's got to close, test it from the top side before it gets to the next core. That's how it's designed. That's failing blue, that's for sure. So alright, so we hit that, so I can remove it. Yeah, I think, yeah, we closed below blue. That means we'll chop around here, unless some sellers come in. Too early, I mean, pre-market, I don't see the sellers. There's typically not a lot. No, these are all triggered, amateur, I call it amateur hours. The guys who are doing trades, putting in trades before they go to work and stuff. Let's try it. Alright, 1, 2. Let's try to
Order submitted.
put it right on that volatility stop, and also this high, right? I mean, this high or that low of the body. That's where the net transactions are. Let's see if we can't. I'm thinking this is rather bullish. Yeah, it's testing blue. I'd rather see it test it from the top side. Key to this is being patient, right? Read price action, put in the plan, put it in there, and let it execute, win or lose. This is kind of aggressive trading, right? Trying to catch all these little dips. I usually don't do this. I let things work out, but like I said, today I have to be out of here by no later than 10:10 to prepare for a meeting. Let's see, if I get in, where's my stop? My stop should be somewhere. If it gets in here, and my stop should be right above the 830 bar. Okay. There's no, I don't like it. If I'm expecting to go higher, I want it to be above blue. And right now I'm thinking the play is going to be at this time. What I'm seeing now, it should be target is mid lower one. Still early. Wow, it's exciting. Patience, John, patience. Yeah, well, the only swings that are in play from the pit are this one and this one. They broke this one already. Alright, you tested the, see it broke out of the 830 bar, it came down and tested. Just like we expect, break through one of the cores, come back and test it, and then take to the next core. Or when you test it from the underside, from the bottom, if it can't close above it, we're going to come back down. Simple as that. Yeah, I see this consolidation here. It's small, but you can see they try to push it up, and then they sold it back down. They ran. Well, I forget how they moved. I think they came down and took out all the stops first, and went back up, and they closed here. So typically, that's this swing should hold. Yep. So that's failure blue. So we should come back down. So right at that swing. Came right to it. Didn't take me. It's okay. I'm not going to chase after it. I'm thinking if I was going to use the Autotrader, I would turn off the short and turn on Autotrader. I don't see this thing going any lower. They spent a lot of money to recapture all these prior highs. So that's why I think this last prior high is going to hold. One minute to the next bar. Alright, we can't get above blue. So I think the extreme high probability trades are mid one, lower mid one, and mid high one. It's important, staying in this business. You gotta have your targets. What is how many ticks, how many points, whatever the case may be. What's the dollar value you're trying to get every day, right? And the whole idea is hit that target every day. It's gonna take me this time.
Order submitted.
Man, still think blue. Okay, stop should be right about here. Should be right about there. Alright, let's see. Our targets are still good. high. That's high. Alright, so
Order filled.
6. Yeah. And slightly above blue. Right there. Alright. Let's go ahead and lock in that profit. I always use that bar, this price here. I just always lock it.
Order filled.
Good, good. Come on. See if we can try to test blue one more time. I don't really care if it's gonna stay above it or not. Blue is right there. Yeah, let's give it some, little bit below.
Order filled.
Alright. Come on, get above blue. This thing wants to go higher, it's got to get above blue. Okay. Yeah, that's... Sorry, I just popped that cough drop in. Just So if I'm trading with the other guys, right now we're just distracting ourselves talking about stuff, non-trading or trading, or we talk about concepts, price actions, or just life, what's going on in life. All right, I'm gonna sit on my hands because we're right at blue. And I don't care where it goes. I just need to see if it completely blue rejects price or it blows through blue, gets above it, and then price supports blue. And either way, my targets are still mid one, mid high one, and mid low one. Simple as that. Let's try to make a decision, and this is what I'm seeing, right? Let's try to make, so maybe a couple more bars, it'll go above it, and it'll test it from the bottom. But I expect it to be here for a while, this range. Volatility stop just stair stepping, which is a good sign. Besides putting in your targets, your goals, I mean, a lot of it is patience, sitting on your hands. Okay. I'm thinking, what are we doing? We're coming back to test here. I'm done. I mean, I think catching this right here is good enough. I want to try to catch it going up to here. If it can get a good above blue, I might. That'll probably be my last trade. My rule of thumb also is 3 bullets a day. If I can't make money with 3 trades, then I need to just walk away. Forget about it. blue bars, but we can't get above point of control blue. I like that it's all blue bars. It's just a matter of when can we pop above it and then test it from the top side to go higher. Just remember, the market's a vertical testing machine. It breaks one price, it'll come back and test it before it continues. Now, how many times it will test? Well, you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tests at blue. We just have to figure out, did it support it or did it reject it? So far it's rejecting it. So if it continues to reject, then the play is from here to about right here. Right? This bar here, which did the sell. See the wick? See that wick right there? That's where, so that's it right here. Is that enough points for you to put in trades? That's for you guys individually to determine. For me, I've already used 2 bullets, so there we go. Come on. See if we get a volume to go through blue. Not much to do, just like watching paint dry. Okay, here we go, above blue. Well, sorry, my dog just came into my office. Well, this is where I distract myself. You can see the chop happening. It's testing the point of control blue. So, Sorry, I was looking at some text. Okay, here's your 1030 blue. We're right on top of each other, close enough. So I like seeing that. That's confluency, right? So if we stay above here, it's starting to support my theory or my prediction. I don't know if that's right, but should go and test the 3 a.m. bar. So if that's the case, we're building a base here. We tested this low. We haven't quite tested this low yet. So I'm gonna go up. And we definitely would come down and test here. So let's do this. Let's put it in between the volatility.
Order submitted.
Yeah, here we come. Oh, we tested it. Sorry. Let's see. 803, 812, 812 would bring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, right about here. Yeah.
Order canceled.
I'm just gonna wait to try. I get in the habit of sometimes trying to catch the bottom to take it up. Close. It's right there. Prices right around blue. 12, 10. Let's see. 1, 5, 6. Should be right around there.
Order submitted.
Volatility. So price comes down, gets that, it'll go against me potentially what? 2, 1, 2, 2.5 points. Okay, I can live with that. Because I got all these swings here to stop price from really plummeting. Swing here, swing high here, and a high there. Okay. 51 seconds. So if it comes down here, price supports. Here we go. I'm not going to chase after it. That's my plan. If it takes me, it takes me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I like that it's being above blue. That's definitely that target. Definitely the target. Let's get some candles. Can't decide. Talk about testing patience. Good base here. Might get me this time. Yep.
Order submitted.
I'm in. Alright, let's manage this thing. So, breakdown. Let's keep it tight, prior low. Alright, we'll take some profit off of here. So let's move and put profit there. And my last bullet, so we'll take one off at the volatility. And that's there. Any swings here? That's going to be tough. Okay, so we'll move that there. Swing high, swing low yesterday. $8:30, so we get above there, we'll go to 3 a.m. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Order filled.
It's one. Move this guy. Move that guy to the volatility. Yeah, we're right there at that swing. That's why we had such a hard time. That blue. Alright, last trade. 2 minutes. So at 9:30, looks like. I want to see this thing hit European market price. Reason being, if you look, we fell off the face of the earth, came really way down, oversold, come back up. And we have to, price has to test this breakdown. And all these stops right here. These are all stops. Free money for the big boys. So, support here. Look down, take some stops there. And then now we're staying right above this swing high. So, next stop is here. And then test the 8:30 range. So we'll play it safe, take some profit here, and take a profit here. or move that to here. 5 points. Is that worth it? From there to there? Yeah, 5 points. Yeah, let's take the average. Be in the middle. I think we're going to chop here until 9:30 when the U.S. market opens. Then we'll see. Seconds left on this bar. Okay, so we tested blue from the top side once, twice. I always think about we tested more than 4 times, 3, 4 times. That's support. So there we go. I think we're gonna come down and test it again, just the way it's been testing on the bottom side. It's gonna test probably the same. Just missed the target. I should have put it on the BWT volatility. No, it's alright. Stick to the plan, John. Stick to the plan. I'll move my stop. So you can see I use price action to, to get into the trade. To try to minimize my, hopping in and it going against me and have that pucker effect, right? I don't get it right all the time, but especially, it's easy when it's pre-market because price moves really slow, but once the market opens, you know how fast these things move. So you gotta guesstimate. Oh, by the way, I changed the grid, so every grid is a point. I don't know if I mentioned that. Flow blue? I didn't expect that. I'm not too worried because we're still, if you draw your ray, it's still going up. Or trend line. Where's this volatility? Yeah. So my stop's at the volatility. Okay. Did not expect it to close. Let's see if it closes below blue. So if it closes below blue, it's still 24, 15, so yeah, it'll be right there. Which is still above my entry price. Alright. Good. Recapture blue. See if it closes above that. Let's start looking for tests from the top side. I want to see more tests on the top side. That way it'll hit these targets. Alright. See if it comes down and test from the top side. So about right there. Test. Well, get my second target. Nope. Test blue. I don't want it to close below this brown. That's the US open price. So far so good. That's one test, two tests. This is our third test. So I don't count this as a test because we actually closed below blue. So it's really the wicks when it comes down, closes above it. That's, to me, it's like it's taking out the stops from this movement, taking out the stops from this movement, taking out the stops from this movement. So that's one, two, third test. So I might buy blue. See what 9:30 the U.S. Open happens.
Order filled.
Cool. Alright. So that's definitely supported blue. Let's see what the Autotrader can do. Really, I'm looking to buy this. There it is. Go. Alright, so there's the opening bar. Wow, look at that, we got confluency on here's the mid-low, mid-high. We knew we knew it would stay above blue. It's gonna go hit mid-high. I like this confluency here between the mid-low and hot zone. Wow, what happened there? I'm not gonna buy it. If we hit mid-low, I'm watching to see if it's gonna break blue and go to mid-low. Really.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Sell this hot zone right here. Oh, here's a hot zone. It's
Order submitted.
yeah, I'm looking for shorts, you know. High, lower high. This might be your second lower high.
Order canceled.
Blue. Staying above blue though. That's odd. I mean, technically we failed the mid-high, so we should go down here. Can't short it because that would be the perfect entry to short, but here it could be testing blue again. Definitely, I would like. So we failed here, we failed blue. We're gonna go to mid-low, but we got confluency or 830 in the hot zone here. So I would buy that. Oops, sorry. I would buy this price.
Order submitted. Looks like we're supporting blue though. There's your opening range, so yeah, we're in that opening range. Definitely support of it. Well, that's Order submitted. Order submitted.
getting out at the prior highs. Yep, that looks good. Move this one here. John, you should have stuck to your rules. Come on, girl. 1 minute to close. I should have waited.
Order filled.
Go, go, go. 52 seconds left.
Order filled.
Get to the top of the bar. Let me move that to the top of the bar.
Order
Order filled.
So we tested. We haven't tested. Did we test the? We missed it by a point. So. Alright. Gonna hit green. Alright, if we're gonna, this thing's gonna come down, we want to sell it right here.
Order submitted.
Because if we break the opening bar, that means weakness, so they'll come down to here, test blue. Then we technically failed the mid one, so it should go to lower mid one. But we got confluency for the 830 and the hot zone. So I would buy here.
Order submitted.
These are my last trades. I gotta get ready. What time is it? Oh, it's only 10. Not 10 yet. Let's see. We're losing steam. We're hanging about mid one. Okay. There's the mid. Alright, let's see if we close. Because if we, that's 27 to 46. Yeah, if we break that, we'll start testing the opening range. Alright, let's test the mid from the top side, from the bottom side of me. It's 44. Okay. Yeah. 2 minutes. Alright, go test it. If we close right here, we're going to start triggering stops all the way back down to here. Problem is these poor amateur hour. They're putting trades in and they're putting stops in. And the big boys are just going to come take them all out. Yeah, and we're struggling to get above that mid one high.
Order
There we
submitted.
go. Trigger the stops.
Order filled. Order filled.
take it right to blue. Let's see if it'll take the stops all the way down to blue. Alright, we locked in the last two, so let's see what happens. I still like to buy.
Order submitted.
The confluence. Alright, come on. Trigger to stop. We'll get out of blue just in case it bounces back up.
Order filled.
Alright, let's see if blue can hold it. If not, we'll go back up. There's still stops all the way down to here. Yeah. Okay, blue. Let's see. 14 seconds. Let's see if the next candle comes and tests that. Where'd the selling come from? One second. Is it going to go up and test blue? Maybe. It's looking like it. My heart's pounding here because what happens if it comes and fills me here and goes here? It'll trigger my stop loss. Should I move it down? Alright, let's see. The only reason I'm doing this is because you have a 3 a.m. and the hot zone confluency. But I'm worried that it may go down all the way to the lower mid. Two minutes left on this candle. Should I move my stop to below here? Let's see. Let's see how much selling volume is in this one. If it's
Order submitted.
in. Sell one at blue, sell one at the prior low. I'm worried about my stop.
Order filled.
Okay, nice kiss down. So hot zone, so we should go back to 1030 bar at 1732. 1030 bars right there. We'll give it a tick. Tick this one out. This will be the trailing.
Order filled.
Let's lock in a profit. Then alright, I got a meeting. This will be the last one. When I start, the longer you stay in here, the more you give back. Alright, there's blue. We tested blue. Recapture blue. Come on. Alright, it's blue. Let's see if we can get above blue. Come on. So worst case, we locked in our profit already, so risk is off the table. Come on, I just want that 1030. I think now though, they ran these stops for all the amateur hour. Now they're gonna run it back up for all these guys. They took all the people out. All right, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. 50, 40. So about halfway is right about there. Yeah, I'm good with that. Come on. I don't know why I'm still breathing hard. I mean, we locked in profit already. We'll get there, maybe. So let's move that down a little. All right. Either way, come on. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's lock in a little bit more profit. If it takes me, it takes me. So that's the bottom of that candle is where my stop is. Just if you guys are wondering. Come on. Okay, we're above blue. Let's go. Alright, we're definitely above blue. Come on. It's such a short range. Test blue. There it is. Don't close below blue. Like the wick. Oh, good, good, good. Good.
Order filled.
I don't care. Keep going. Alright, well, I'm done for the day. So basically, I hope that this helps you understand how the core works and this is how I trade. So really find your entries, try to precision yourself into it so you don't feel it getting against you. Sorry, I was watching that candle. But yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm still, when I'm in a trade, I'm still, clenching my fist and, if everything worked the way it should, and, But anyway, that's that. So if we close above here, then, well, if we close above 1030, we close above the opening range, then you're looking at somewhere around here is the target minimum. So see how it works out. But I'm gonna shut down before I start giving money back. All right. I hope this helps. You have any questions, whatnot? I mean, we're here to help you at BWT.